Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add YouTube downloader as Chrome extension. First you have to launch the Chrome browser and you have to search for add add-on crop YouTube video downloader and to hit enter, and you're going to click on the first link over here. So over here you have to go for developer mode install. So you have to click here and it will show up this pop-up box to download the zip file. So I've already downloaded, so I'm not going to download it. You download it. So I'm going to cancel it, and after that I'm going to go to the downloads softwares. Over here you can see I have downloaded this, so I'm going to extract it. So I'm going to extract it using 7-zip. So extract to YouTube. You can see here is the extracted folder. Now again go to the Chrome browser and go to this three-dot icon, go to the settings. On settings go to the extension and load unpacked, go here and just select that folder and open it, and it will install. Congratulations, you have just installed YouTube downloader extension. Now you can see I'm going to launch YouTube. I have launched YouTube. I'm going to open up a video. Over here you can see this is the download button, so you can download any of the 4K, 480, 1080 or 720, whichever you like. So that's how you can add the download button in the YouTube. Thank you. If you have found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you.